Well, the Pacific Press, which it's named now, the Sun and the Province, were obviously using typewriters by the hundred. In the editorial rooms, they were separated. The noise when you went in was just continual typing. We would do a service and then we would do calls in between, because if they broke down, they had to have them going, and we would go back and reservice or replace a part or a ribbon, whatever was required. Every country in Europe made a machine. Then the Japanese became the main electronic typewriters, which are still available. We sell full-size machines for law firms or offices of all kinds, and also for individuals. War correspondents used these small portables so they could carry them into the trench, if you like. Ernie Pyle, I think, was one. Well, that's the history of typewriters. It started in 1890.